There are two ways to set up Odoo in 2026 that will actually set your business up for the long haul. One costs about $75 a month, the other costs about $440. And honestly, this $75 build might be the better choice for most of you. Let me show you both. Before I get into the builds, you need to understand the problem they both solve, because this is what most people get wrong with Odoo. If you just go to Odoo's website and sign up for the online version, you're locked into their upgrade cycle. They control when you move to the next version, they charge you for any customizations, and every time a major version drops, you'll honestly be lucky if the new features outweigh the headache and the cost. Both of these builds protect you from that. They give you control over your upgrades, they keep your migration costs down, and they pair Odoo with two tools that fill the gaps Odoo has on its own. That's the foundation. Everything else is about what level of polish and convenience you want to pay for. And to make this even easier, the builds are linked in the description below. So let's talk about the budget build first. We're pairing Odoo Community Edition with N8N and Hello Leo. So let's break down the pricing. For the budget build, we first have Odoo Community Edition. Now, Odoo Community Edition is free, it's open source, but we have to pay for the hosting, or we can self-host, so you could get rid of this cost if you want. But that's going to be about $35 to $50 a month. Then we have N8N at $20 a month, Hello Leo at an additional $20 a month, and this brings us to $75 a month, or around $90. And here's the part that makes this build ridiculous. That price doesn't change whether you have one user or 50. Community Edition has no per user fees, unlimited users. So what can you actually do with this budget build? Well, more than most people think. Odoo Community gives you CRM, sales, inventory, purchase, manufacturing, project management, a website builder. The core business apps are all there. It's not a stripped down demo. It's a real ERP. The main place where Community falls short is accounting and Studio and some of the other more polished enterprise features, but that's where the other two tools come in. Hello Leo can fill reporting gaps, improve your outward-facing portals, and basically do a better job at customization than Studio most times. And N8N is what connects everything together and provides an incredibly robust automation layer. Integrations with other tools and systems like Shopify, QuickBooks if you want to keep it, and other workflows that would normally require custom development. N8N handles that at $20 a month instead of thousands in developer fees. And in case you don't know, these are both AI-friendly tools. You don't need to be a developer to use these. With both, you can just talk to an AI and it will build stuff for you. It's pretty crazy. This build is for the business that wants serious functionality but has a tight budget. You need to be comfortable with a little more hands-on setup. You'll need to figure out your accounting solution separately, whether that's a standalone tool or a workaround within Community. It's doable, but it's not turnkey. You may need a little help if you don't have the resources to manage this yourself. But here's what you get in return. You're not paying per user, you own your own infrastructure, you control your upgrade timeline, and you've got automation and integrations built in from day one. For a growing team, the savings compound fast. And with all of this, we're keeping your upgrade costs down when you want to roll forward. That being said, again, you're on your own here. You don't have Odoo support, and you don't have any of the nice little tools that they threw into Enterprise or any of their hosting solutions. So let's talk about the premium build, in case that sounds more appealing. The premium build is Odoo Enterprise on Odoo SH, plus the same N8N and Hello Leo stack. So let's walk through the breakdown. With the premium build, we're using Odoo SH hosting, which is, in my experience, about $100 a month minimum. Then you've got Odoo Enterprise users. We weren't paying for users in the budget build. We're going to have to pay about $60 a user per month. That's 5 users, is about $300. Then we're going to have N8N at $20 a month, Hello Leo at $20 a month. All told, that's about $440 a month. So what does that extra $365 a month buy you? First, accounting. This is the big one. Full Odoo accounting out of the box. Bank reconciliation with bank tie-in, financial reports, tax management tools, the works. For a lot of businesses, this alone justifies the upgrade because you're not stitching together your own separate accounting solution. Second, Studio. This is Odoo's no-code customization tool. You can modify screens, add fields, build automations, change workflows without touching code. If you want to tailor Odoo to exactly how your business works without hiring a developer, Studio is the easiest way to do it. And I love Studio. I've used it in a ton of my videos, so this is actually a fairly big one. Third, you have all the other stuff that Odoo layered onto Community for Enterprise. I'm not going to go into all of that here, but I've included it in the build guides in the link. Fourth, Odoo SH itself. Managed hosting, staging environments, automatic backups, GitHub integration, and the upgrade tool for when you want to upgrade. You're not managing servers. You're not worrying about uptime. It just works, and it's managed by Odoo. Which leads me to my fifth thing. And it's fifth for a reason, because it's not great at times. Odoo support. If you want it, that comes with this too. And once again, you still get N8N and Hello Leo on top of all that. So you're getting the enterprise polish, plus the automation and integration layer that even enterprise Odoo doesn't give you natively. This build is for the business that wants things to work right out of the box and is willing to pay for convenience. You want accounting handled, you want customization without code, you don't want to manage hosting, and you value your time more than the per user savings. Generally speaking, the premium build isn't about getting more features, it's about getting less friction. So let me give you my final thoughts here. If your ongoing budget is a big point and you're comfortable getting your hands a little dirty, the budget build at $75 a month is genuinely hard to beat. You're getting 90% of what most businesses need, and you're doing it at a fraction of the cost. The unlimited users alone makes the math insane as you grow. On the other hand, if accounting is non-negotiable, if you want Studio, or if you just don't want to deal with hosting and setup, the premium build is worth every dollar, especially if your team is small enough that the per user costs aren't killing you. But here's the thing, both builds are super solid. They're already way better than the other options. They're designed to protect you from being forced into an upgrade, having an expensive upgrade, or paying for things you don't need, like Odoo's line of custom code surcharge. All of this while giving you the ultimate flexibility to take advantage of AI and whatever else the future throws your way. Now you know the two builds, but knowing what to buy and knowing how to actually set it up are two very different problems. If you go with the budget build, the setup decisions you make on day one will either save you months of headaches or create them. I'll walk you through that in the next one. And if you'd like some help with all of this, go ahead and check out my link in the description. I've got different packages for people at whatever phase you're in.